green tea really help with weight loss? Can one daily habit boost fat burning? Or is green tea just another overhyped health trend? If you have ever asked yourself these questions, you're not alone. Welcome to HealthWise Digest, where simple questions meet science-backed answers. Green tea has been around for thousands of years. It's been used for digestion, alertness, and overall well-being. But in recent years, it's become famous for one big reason: weight loss. So let's talk facts, not fads. First, here is the honest truth. Green tea alone will not make you lose weight. There is no tea, drink, or supplement that can replace a calorie deficit, regular movement, good sleep, and balanced meals. But, and this is important, green tea may support weight loss when used the right way. So how does it work? Green tea contains natural compounds called catechins, especially one called EGCG, along with a moderate amount of caffeine. Together, these compounds can help your body burn slightly more calories and fat. They do this by supporting fat breakdown, fat oxidation, a mild boost in metabolism. In simple terms, green tea can help your body become a little more efficient at using fat for energy, but the effect is small and gradual, not dramatic. Research shows mixed results. Some studies found small reduction in body weight, BMI, and waist circumference, especially in women with overweight or obesity. Other studies found little to no change. That's why experts agree on this. Green tea works best as a helper, not a hero. Now let's talk about dosage. Most studies showing benefits use green tea extract, not just a single cup of tea. The effective range seen in research is usually under 500 mg to 1000 mg per day, taken consistently for several weeks. If you have been drinking green tea as a beverage, that usually means 2 to 4 cups a day depending on strength. More is not better. Drinking excessive green tea or taking high-dose supplements can cause side effects, especially due to caffeine, which brings us to risk. Green tea is generally safe for most people, but too much can lead to jitters, stomach discomfort, dizziness, sleep problems. In rare cases, high-dose green tea extracts have been linked to liver issues. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should limit intake, and if you're on medication, especially blood pressure or heart medicines, it's best to speak to your healthcare professional before increasing your intake. Now here's something important many people miss. Green tea does not suppress appetite significantly. It doesn't magically reduce hunger hormones or make you eat less. So if weight loss happens, it's more likely because green tea slightly increases energy use. Not because it stops you from feeling hungry, but green tea does other health benefits beyond weight loss. Research links green tea to better heart health, lower cholesterol in some cases, improved blood vessel function, reduced inflammation, potential protection against certain cancers, brain and mental health support based mostly on early research. So even if the weight loss effect is modest, the overall health benefits are real. Now let's put everything together. If your goal is weight loss, green tea can be a useful addition when combined with regular physical activity, a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, good sleep, stress management, staying hydrated. But green tea alone won't move the scale. The bottom line is simple. Green tea supports weight loss. It doesn't cause it. If you enjoy it, drink it. If it fits your routine, use it. Don't expect miracles. Sustainable weight loss always comes from habits, not shortcuts, and that's exactly what HealthWise Digest believes in: clear information, realistic expectations, and smarter health choices. If this video helped you understand green tea better, stay with us. Watch more HealthWise Digest and follow HealthWise Talks on Facebook.